No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're back down at our favourite happy place, down at Automodz. And we're here with the daily driver today, and we're going to get a load of bits fitted and get it looking good again. Now that the sun's out and the show season has started, we need to be repping as best as we can, guys. So we've got some bits to fit, which I'm going to show you now. So yeah, this is what we're fitting today, guys. We've had us welding done on the sill. Shout out to my good friend, you know who you are. And also, we can get this side skirt back on with the extension. The other side obviously is still on the car, as that one was okay. We've got the RS wheels to put back on, the 19-inch genuine ones. And we've also going to be getting a splitter back on the car. Thank you to Rob Galloway at RS Parts. The quality on these is fantastic, which we'll take a little look a bit later on. But we did it a bit of concrete, and yeah, we snapped it. After being on the car for about 7 or 8 years, we'll show you later, but there's multiple holes in this splitter where I've come back down to Mark's and he's always refitted it, as it was virtually indestructible. But unfortunately we did mount a pavement and hit some concrete, and that just finished it off, to be fair. But yeah, we're going to get the new splitter on, and the RS wheels on, and the side skirt on, and hopefully should be looking a bit better, guys. So stay tuned and we'll see you shortly. So just down at Automodz, as you've seen, Mark's got a customer in having the Pro Hose kit fitted. Stage 2 AirTech intercooler. Mark's just working his magic now. So we thought we'd just give it a little bit of a mention while we're waiting to get some bits done. Right, so just taking a better look at these hoses. Not only do they look nice and make the engine bay look a lot fresher and cleaner, but it is also a precaution, because the focuses aren't getting any younger, and obviously the rubber over the years deteriorates, and these silicons are a fantastic upgrade. So if you've not got them, you need to get them. Speak to Mark at Automodz. And while we're getting the nice shiny hoses fitted, he's having this intercooler fitted. So when doing a bit of precaution work, you've always got to add some modifications in there and go for a bit of power. See you later, mate. Ta-da. Another happy customer after he's had his bits done. And we've got this one to do disc and pads on now. So yeah, Mark's going to get this in the workshop. We can get a few bits done on this one. So we're almost there. Mark's just finishing off the discs and pads on this Fiesta. Nice one this is. Got a few bits on it. Nice Pro Hose, Pro intercooler, bonnet vents. Right, customers are done. It's time to get the daily in the unit and give it some long overdue TLC. Get that skirt on, splitter on, and them summer wheels on. Right, guys, let's get these wheels on.
No, I need to come back down. I need to send
I've got swollen nuts.
Oh,
I can't get the socket on.
you need to speak to Mel.
Yeah. Like literally.
What, swollen nuts?
3 nuts are swollen.
Yeah, don't you just love the Ford nuts?
Thank you.
Before you undo it, wobble the thing off so you get the socket off. Okay?
Yeah.
I need to sorry.
Whoa, why is it doing that?
What's it doing what?
It's like waving.
Yes, because
I've lost your socket. I can't f it off.
Three hours later.
What an absolute nightmare. How do you deal with these every day, Mark?
I told you to use the. What you? I said to use the drill.
Oh, I didn't know I could do it with that on. Right, okay. We've mentioned this before many a time. Swollen nuts.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Carry on. Gonna do my job now.
Yeah? But the people do want to see what you're doing.
Oh, smash that socket onto a nut.
No, it's in the side skirt. Should have had my Weetabix. So Mark's here now, look.
Put plenty of this on.
Tiger seal.
Nasty crap. Gets everywhere. Right. I'll just offer it up.
Right, yeah,
Okay.
I've got hold of it, mate.
So just kind of lift. That's it, and just push it tight. That's it.
Look at that. Ripping the Automodz lot.
Yeah. Yes. I need to hold it there. I'll tie it up in a second.
Yeah. Looking better already, guys. Look at that. So that's the first pilot hole going in on the splitter.
Time to put a nut and bolt on. How many washers did you buy? Yeah.
There's quite a few in there, mate.
Put that one on. Tighten that one up. Okay, do the one on the other side.
Yeah. Get it nice.
Do the outers, then you work your way in.
Because then it doesn't move then, does it?
And then you'll be level correctly with the front. Some outer ones. Stick one in the middle.
What's left?
What's left of your middle? Yeah. It's like that.
We'll show you in a minute when this is on. The original one from Robert RS Parts. You'll see with how many holes in it, how many times Mark refitted it. Virtually indestructible.
You take a fair bit of punishment. Better than those plastic versions, that's for sure.
Yeah, because these are proper fiberglass, aren't they?
Yep. Plastic ones are just terrible. They don't survive any type of tap, knock, scrape. They just shatter. Right. Then we go for the outer ones there, so we can get this bit looking right. But unfortunately, the bumper's broken in about a few places there. So I'll have to try and do the best I can there, and then probably put one here, and then do the same there. Let's put any battery in my drill. It's fat. Nice.
That does fit nice, yeah. And then when he does this side, look, it'll close that gap up there.
There you go. I could stick another two in. If you want to stick someone in here?
You can do, mate, if you want to, yeah. What is it? That's what you got to love about Mark. He always goes the extra mile. But yeah, we're getting there, guys. Perfect. 9 screws in total. Bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
If you go and hit this again, I think it's going to rip your bumper off this time.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. So that's the new splitter by RS Parts fitted, and I have noticed that they now come with that little embossed bit there, look, that says RS Parts on it, which is a nice little touch.
Oh, yeah, the old ones don't.
This is an RS Parts splitter, which was fitted by Mark about 7 or 8 years ago. Been multiple fitted times after that. Probably mentioned before, but this has been ripped off in Rufford Ford. It's been ripped off over speed humps, as you can see the amount of holes that we've got in it, and it was virtually indestructible. But then I hit a bit of concrete that was sticking out of a pavement, and obviously there's there's not much that's gonna withstand that. But the quality is fantastic, and Mark was saying earlier, like the fiberglass, it's a very thick fiberglass. You can see there, look. They weigh quite a bit, don't they? To say, But yeah, other brands out there are quite flimsy plastic and they basically just shatter. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Thank you to Robert RS Parts. And the new ones on there, look. So we've got the RS wheels back on. Mark's put the side skirt back on with these are RS parts as well, side extensions. I've had them some years and they've withstood some speed humps, etc. But we are getting there now. Pretty much all that's left to do, guys. Put these centre caps in. 1, 2.
I was hoping you went round there so I could put it back, come back in, like turn up again.
3 hours later, Mark decided to be crafty and nick number 3, and I thought I'd left it in the other wheel, and now I've dropped it, look, because he's put me off.
He's charging extra all this, little freaking tiger's here all over my hands.
Yeah. Number 4. So that's the car out. Mark's just doing his torque wrench while we have a quick look at and admire that splitter. Looking loads better now with the RS wheels back on, side skirt on, centre badges. I do need to paint that caliper actually. Right guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you give these guys a like. Contact Mark for any work that you want doing, from engine rebuilds to servicing brakes. Make sure you like this video, you've subscribed to the channel guys, and I'll see you on the next one.